On today's video, we're going to be showing you how to remove a fender off this 94 Mustang. Now it's quite simple. You will want to remove your light on the corner here. Just has one bolt that goes in this way. Once you undo that little bolt that's inside here, your side marker light will pull out. Once you get your marker light out, you can leave your hood on. You will not have to remove your hood to take your fender off. We just got the hood off this car already, so it makes this video a lot easier to do. So come down here where your marker light is, and you have these two bolts, 1 and 2. You will need to remove those two bolts. And then underneath you have another bolt right here. You will need to remove that one. That's the 3 bolts up here in front. They are 8 millimeters. Go ahead and take those loose. Once you get those 3 bolts removed, you have a bolt here, 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 and this bolt does not have to be removed. That is your hinge. You just need to take out 1, 2, 3 bolts across the top of that fender. Go ahead and remove those bolts. All 3 bolts has been removed. Now we can go underneath the car, and on this fender well behind it, underneath this, there's usually 2 clips holds these up there, but this car ain't got them. Behind that is 2 more fender bolts. You will want to remove those 2 bolts. To get to that better, you have a 4-way here and here. You can take and remove those. Then the fender well will pop loose. You can see it's pretty well loose, and you can get to them 2 bolts a whole lot easier. And then you can get to the last 2 bolts after you get all this done, and I'll show you what those are next. Once you get the 2 bottom bolts out and this pulled back, inside this fender well is a bolt. That bolt needs tuck out and removed, and then you can come inside. And now there's another bolt right there that needs removed. Now once you get those bolts out, and the ones I showed you, your fender should come off pretty easy. This side done came off. We done got this fender off. It came off exactly the same way, so it should work out good for you, and hopefully it comes off pretty easy and your bolts ain't rusty. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave me a comment if you did. I enjoy hearing from everyone, and be sure to check my channel out for more videos and hit that subscribe button to show your support. I appreciate it if you do, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.